of computer sharing resources located on or provided by network nodes. The computers use common communication protocols over digital interconnections to communicate with each other. These interconnections are made up of telecommunication network technologies based on physically wired optical and wireless radio frequency methods that may be arranged in a variety of network topologies.
Types of computer network. WPAN, or Wireless Personal Area Network, is a computer network for interconnecting electronic devices within an individual person's workspace. A PAN provides data transmission among devices such as computers, smartphones, tablets, and personal digital assistants. PANs are carried over a low-powered, short-distance wireless network technology such as IRDA, wireless USB, Bluetooth, and Zigbee. Wireless Personal Area Network is classified into three classes. High-rate WPAN, defined in the IEEE 802.15.3 standard, with a data throughput of more than 20 megabytes per second. Medium-rate WPAN, defined in the IEEE 802.15.1 standard, with a data throughput of 1 megabyte per second. And a low-rate WPAN, defined in the IEEE 802.15.4 standard, with a data throughput of less than 0.25 megabytes per second. The advantages of WPAN are security, portability, easy connectivity, and stability, while its disadvantages are short-ranged and transfer speed. Features of WPAN include low cost, little or no infrastructure setup, short-range communication, small personal network, wide range of devices, low power consumption, and no complex connectivity. Local Area Network, or LAN, is usually wire-connected, providing internet access within a building or limited outdoor area. There are two types of LAN, which are Wireless Local Area Network and Wireless Fidelity. WLAN, or Wireless Local Area Network, is a wireless computer network that links two or more devices using wireless communication to form a local area network, LAN, within a limited area such as home, school, computer, laboratory, campus, or office building. The advantages include the ability to move around within the area and remain connected to the network and provide a connection to the wider internet. Wi-Fi is a family of wireless network protocols. It is commonly used for LAN of devices and internet access. This allows nearby digital devices to exchange data by radio wave. Wi-Fi is widely used at home and small office networks to link desktop, laptop computers, tablet computers, smartphones, smart TVs, printers, and smart speakers together to a wireless router, as well as wireless access points in public places like coffee shops, hotels, libraries, and airports to provide public internet access for mobile devices. What differentiates Wi-Fi from WLAN is the fact that WLAN allows access to any radio technology serving network devices bounded by the local construct of the WLAN type, whereas Wi-Fi allows access to only 802.11 clients.
WMAN. WMAN stands for Wireless Metropolitan Area Network. It is a computer network that interconnects users with computer resources in a geographic region of the size of a metropolitan area. The term MAN is applied to the interconnection of local area networks in a city into a single larger network, which may then also offer efficient connection to a wide area network. The term is also used to describe the interconnection of several local area networks in the metropolitan area through the use of point-to-point connections between them. There are two types of WMAN, which are backhaul and last mile. WWAN. WWAN stands for Wireless Wide Area Network. It is a telecommunications network that extends over a large geographic area. Wide area networks are often established with leased communication circuits. Businesses, as well as schools and government entities, use wide area networks to relay data to staff, students, clients, buyers, and suppliers from various locations around the world. This mode of telecommunication allows a business to effectively carry out its daily function regardless of location. The internet may be considered a WAN. There are three main families of WWAN technology. The first one is GSM or UMTS, the second one is WiMAX, and the third one is CDMA1 or CDMA 2000. The advantages of WWAN include global wireless coverage, flexible with cloud management, deploying and relocating, better security than WLAN, diverse, cost-effective backup for data applications, and quick deployment for new applications. Other than advantages, there are also disadvantages of WWAN. Firstly, replacement of loss of WWAN may be costly. Next, we have to maintain a reliable network connectivity. Next, to build a cost-effective solution is going to be a real challenge. Lastly, it has decreased throughput during large coverage area. Some of the characteristics of WWAN include reduced transmission speed as compared to physical connection. It is based on IEEE 802.16 standards. Increase of distance, decrease of throughput occurs and vice versa, and getting faster due to gigabit class LTE.
Alright, moving on to the advantages of computer networking. First of all, computer networks allows us to do file sharing, which means data can be easily shared between different users, also access it remotely if we keep it on other connected devices. Next is resource sharing, which can be done by using network-connected peripheral devices such as printers, scanners, copiers, or sharing software between multiple users. And the third one is sharing a single internet connection. It is cost efficient and can help protect your system if you properly secure the network. Lastly, increasing storage capacity. So by computer network allows us to access files and multimedia such as images and music which you store remotely on other machines or network attached storage devices. Alright, so moving on to the disadvantages of computer networking. So firstly, computer networking sometimes requires high costs because purchasing the network cabling and file service can be expensive. So next point is management issues. Managing a large network is complicated and sometimes requires training, and a network manager usually needs to be employed. Next, missing files. If the file server breaks down, the files on the file server become inaccessible. Email might still work if it is on a separate server. The computers can still be used but are isolated. Next is computer bugs. Viruses can spread to other computers throughout a computer network. So lastly is secureness. There is a danger of hacking, particularly with wide area networks. Security procedures are needed to prevent such abuse. Example, a firewall. Uses of computer network. Uses of computer network for business applications. The first one is resource sharing. Make all programs, equipment such as printer and data available to anyone on the network without regard to the physical location of the resource and the user. The second one is server-client model. Data is stored on powerful computers called servers that are often centrally housed and maintained by a system administrator. In contrast, employees have simple machines called clients on their desk which they have access remote data. The third one is communication medium. Computer network can provide a powerful communication medium among employees such as emails. The fourth one is e-commerce, basically doing business with internet users. For home applications, the uses of computer network is for internet connectivity. Computer networks provide internet access to home users with remote computer connections. A user at home can access and interact with other information with other people in different places. Online education. Computer networks allow the user at home and groups of people to work together in creating educational content. The third one is security system. A technology called RFID, radio frequency identification, locates and communicates with items over a distance of up to several meters.